What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be doing another Pride look today. Well, actually, this is my first one for YouTube because I did a lip look, but that was only Instagram exclusive, so make sure you check that out, show it some love. But anyway, so I kind of want to do something based off this little sketch I did. It's going to be mainly black, but of course with a little bit of rainbow, like a little rainbow crease. Kind of like what I did with my Alyssa Edwards look, where I did like a double crease kind of. Except it's a little bit like smoky eye with like a line or rainbow. It'd probably be easier if I just use like lipstick or eyeliner, but I want to make it hard myself and I actually want to blend the colors together with eyeshadow. So we're going to be using all eyeshadow palettes today. So yeah, I think this should probably take me a few hours to complete, but this is going to be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to bring my little sketch to life. Okay, so first I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow quad in Smoke, and we're going to be starting off with white. And I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A26 brush, and I'm just going to dip it in and pretty much put it like all over my lid to kind of as a base, like as a transition shade. Sorry, I can't talk today. Okay, next we're going to be diving into this gray shade right here in the Kat Von D little palette. And I'm just going to kind of apply it into my crease and then blend it out. It'll be act as a transition shade for the black that I'll be adding later on. Black over the area where I had just applied the gray, and I'm applying like onto the crease and then blend it out, but not too much. I'm gonna try to blend them together so that way it'll just blend together seamlessly. Okay, so next we're kind of crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Next I'm using the Alien Cosmetics Pluto palette, and we're going to be diving into this red shade. It's really beautiful and bright. I think it's perfect for this look. And I'm applying it onto like the outer corner and then kind of blending it in. Okay, so next I'm using this orange shade from the Morphe 35B palette. And I'll apply it and kind of blend it into the red. I might go back into the red a little bit and blend them together. Okay, so next I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette. And we're going to be diving into the shade Brick Road, which is this very beautiful, bright, and vibrant yellow.
Perfect!
Okay, so next I'm using the Alien Cosmetics palette again. And this time we're diving into this green shade. It's a very beautiful green. I think it's really perfect for this look. Okay, so next I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette again, and this time we're going to be diving into the shade Dream It. This one's a very beautiful, bright and vibrant blue. We're using the same palette again, and this time we're diving into this purple shade called Believe. And this one's a very beautiful and bright purple. Okay, so next I'm going to clear my crease one last time using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And I'm using this little tiny brush from Real Techniques. It's very, very tiny. It's called a Square Detailer Brush. Okay, so next I'm diving back into Kat Von D's Shade and Light Eye Quad, and we're going to be diving into the black eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm just pretty much apply it, and I'm trying to be careful about the crease, like the rainbow. So yeah, I'm trying to get as close as I can. It's basically apply it, and I'm probably going to blend it out, like kind of like over here a little bit. And I'm also going to apply some underneath the eyes as well. Okay, so next I'm applying Kat Von D's Anti-Precision Eyeliner onto my waterlines. Okay, so next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Granite Powder Duo. And I'm going to kind of create like a natural looking brow today again. And of course I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel after I'm done to kind of like lift up my natural hairs a little bit to kind of make it blend into the powder. Okay, so next I'm applying Bae Bats Beauty Midnight Mascara onto my eyelashes. Okay, so next I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Blush Trio. And I'm going to kind of swirl my brush around, kind of canal them a little bit, just dab it off my arm a little bit. And I'm just going to apply the blush over my cheekbones. Okay, so next I'm applying Lime Crime's Black Velvet Liquid Lipstick onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm applying Shop Made Me Artistry's Weirdo Lashes onto my eyelids. These are very beautiful. They're huge. I've been using these a lot in my past couple of looks. I just love them so much. And you can hear my cat crying in the background. Okay, so I have one last and final step. I'm using the Kat Von D's Alchemist palette for highlighting. And I want to try something new. I want to not mix them all together, but I want to try to make a rainbow out of the highlights. I'm going to use all the shades in here. We got green, we got blue, we got ultraviolet, and pink. So I'm gonna try to like, I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm just apply it with my fingers, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna apply my fan brush. Okay, so I'm gonna try to dip into shades using this and just try to like apply them individually. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with pink, then we're gonna do green, blue, and then violets. Well, that is it for today's makeup tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching and checking it out. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Of course, I always post a bunch of like other makeup tutorials and a bunch of other videos. So be sure to check them all out. I also have a bunch of really badass Halloween videos that I did in the past years. So make sure you check those out. And be looking forward to this Halloween. I might start filming Halloween stuff this summer. So I don't know when I'm filming yet. But I need to start planning out my Halloween schedule already. So yeah. I had a ton of fun creating this look. It was really fun. I really like it. I thought it would take me longer than what it did, but it actually was quicker than it was. So I mean, it did take a little bit of time cutting the crease and stuff, but I thought it would take like hours, like longer. I mean, it did take a few hours, but longer than what I actually did. So yeah. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have all my usernames displayed on the screen and also down below in the description box, and make sure you check it out. Also probably will put the link for the lashes, or at least the shop for the lashes, and check them out. They have a bunch of really beautiful lashes, some shorter ones, some like really beautiful long ones just like these. I have a bunch of different styles, so you guys should definitely check them out. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you guys think about this look, and also tell me what kind of other looks you would like to see in the future. This might be my only pride look I do for YouTube. I kind of did a pride lip look for Instagram, so make sure you check that out and show it some love. So yeah, so that's it for today's makeup tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!